Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the essentials. Open the Xbox app and sign in with your Game Pass account because you need access to the library. Connect your PS5 DualSense via USB-C for the simplest route, or enable Bluetooth on your PC if you prefer wireless. Once done, make sure Windows is updated and any controller drivers are installed. This prevents recognition problems. Finally, keep the controller charged and test basic input in Windows Game Controller settings before launching a game. Next, connect and configure input so Game Pass games accept the DualSense. If using Bluetooth, pair the controller in Settings, then check Devices. Once connected, decide. Use Steam input by adding the Xbox game to Steam and enabling controller support, or run DS4 Windows to emulate an Xbox controller and remap buttons if a title needs it. Make adjustments to triggers, dead zones, and gyro mapping as needed. Then launch an Xbox Game Pass title and confirm buttons and vibration respond correctly. Finish with final tweaks and a key troubleshooting tip. Tweak vibration, adaptive trigger emulation, and sensitivity inside DS4 Windows or Steam to match expected feel. If a game fails to detect the controller, connect via USB-C first, then restart the Xbox app and, if necessary, reinstall the controller driver. Also open the Windows Game Controller panel to confirm input and remap if needed. One reliable fix: remove the Bluetooth pairing, pair again, and launch the game from Steam or the Xbox app while the emulator runs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.